Alright, hey y'all, it's Gabby. So today I want to talk about 10 ways that I helped my hair grow in the past year, like year or two. So I'm in 12th grade. My hair has been growing like a lot since 10th grade. So it's like 2 years. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna add pictures and stuff. So alright, so one, this is guys. Okay. So first of all, tight ponytails are so bad for you. Like especially with the elastic, like the elastic band. So you know how at night people are like sleeping a bondage because it's set and your hair don't pull. This stuff is so bad. Your hair gets snagged in it. So when you like wrap it real tight and you try to pull it out, your hair in there, so it's gonna keep falling out. And that was my mistake. Like back then I used to always wear my hair in these tight slick ponytails. It looks cute, but your hair fall out and then you look salty. So what I do is I take like one of these long like headbands and I wrap it twice around. So I'm, so I go like this. It look kind of weird, but it's how I do my ponytails. So I wrap it around my neck twice, right? And then I pull it up like that. See? And then it's a little puff. It's not tight. It's not pulling. It's a lot of, it's not snagging. It's cute. It's big. Like the ponytail holders will make your hair look really small, but then using a headband makes your hair look bigger and also does not pull. Like I'm not feeling any tension like around my edges or like in the back of my hair. So that's what I do. So number two, no gel, like especially on your ends. It dries up your hair. It's bad for you. It makes your hair brittle, and when that gel starts to get hard, your hair get hard and gets really weak. So I haven't used any gel. Well, I've used gel for my edges. This is the gel I use the argan oil gel, the Perfect Edges gel. It's more like a waxy consistency, but that's what I use. I don't use Eco. I don't use none of that because it's real bad for your hair. I used to put it all on there. I used to put it on my ends thinking it's cute. It's cute, but it's not good. Yeah. Number three, don't use shampoo with sulfur in it. Sulfur, honestly, I don't know exactly what it is, but I know that it dries up your hair and it just makes it weak. So I use all Shea Moisture products. I use the African Water Mint and Ginger Detox thing, the shampoo. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. This is the shampoo I use. It's in a green bottle. It's Shea Moisture, and also the black castor oil Shea Moisture shampoo. I don't know if y'all can see. Whatever. None of their products have sulfur in it. It's sulfur free, all natural. See, look, sulfate free, says it right here. It's backwards, so it's right here though. You can kind of see. No sulfur, so it makes sure like your hair stays moisturized, because shampoo strips your hair of the natural oils, but even though that's happening, the sulfur free shampoo makes sure it still retains some sort of moisture, so it's not like completely bare. Because my hair, after my shower, when I used the other shampoo, my hair was dry, it was brittle, it was breaking all. Like when I was done washing my hair, the shower would just be full of hair. But now it's no hair like at the bottom of the shower whenever I wash it. So I like that. My hair don't shed like as much. I mean, your hair's supposed to naturally shed, but it doesn't shed like when it's not supposed to, Number four, only shampoo every 2 weeks, because like I said, shampoo is meant to strip your hair of the natural oils and all of the moisture. So doing that too much is just bad for you, It's just gonna make it so your hair is clean, but it's it's dry, You're not supposed to be washing your hair that much. You shouldn't be washing, white people, but black people are not supposed to be doing that unless you work out. Even then, I think maybe once a week. I don't know, but I know I do every 2 weeks. Just not every day. That's bad. Even for boys, like boys be like, what, I don't care. I don't know. Even you boys, you need to not wash your hair as much because you're not good, honey. Number 5, castor oil. Please, God, castor oil. Please use castor oil, because this is the one I use. Like that coconut oil, that All the other stuff is too late for my hair. I think my hair is like 4A. For my hair is too light. I need something real heavy. I moisturize my hair in the morning every 2 days, because if I do it every day, it gets real greasy and it's too shiny. Like, I like shine, but a little too much shine, you know. So I like to keep it at a low, the shine at a low, but the moisture at a high. You know what I'm saying? All right, number 6, don't manipulate your hair too much. So don't be like pulling at it, like when you're sitting down. Don't be like all in your hair, like touching it and stuff. Like I said, that also can pull out your hair, get snagged in your hands, get snagged in your nails, get snagged on anything. So you don't want that. You don't want to be all touching it and scratching at it and all playing in it. Like, just leave your hair alone. Just leave it alone. Don't touch it. First of all, your hair gonna get poofy. If you do like a perm rod set like me, it's gonna get poofy. You're gonna be upset because you wasted all that time and your hair gonna be all messed up at the end of the day. So try not to even think about your hair. Just be like, oh, I'm cute, and keep it pushing. Don't even try all that stuff. No, honey. See, I gotta read it down, y'all. I'm bad at remembering this kind of stuff. Number 7, do not, please God. I mean, I feel like some of this stuff is more so for my hair texture, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe it's just for me. I only comb my hair when I'm about to wash it. Combing your hair will, I feel like all this stuff is gonna pull your hair, like combing your hair, you know, after you comb, maybe all that hair in the comb. You don't need that every single day. I think it's too harsh for your hair. You need to be really gentle. You need to, you know, let it do its own thing sometimes, and then only comb when necessary. And don't use a comb where the little it's not bristles, because that's a brush, but you know what I mean, like things. Don't use like a wide tooth comb. Use a wide tooth comb, because if you use like a really small comb and you have thicker hair like this, it's just gonna get caught on everything. So make sure it's wide. I use a pick to comb out my hair. It's easier for me, and I feel like I get less breakage, and it's easier to like handle when I'm doing it. So yeah, I only do it every 2 weeks. Make sure you're very light and very light-handed, but you don't be too heavy-handed, because that's how I used to be, and my hair used to come out so quick. My hair is really delicate, so I try and be super, super gentle with my hair. Number 8, no type of blow drying. I mean, unless you no type of blow drying, no type of straightening on your own. You see, you can go to a professional, but I wouldn't do it by myself. Some of y'all real good at that kind of stuff, but I feel like I use like too much high heat. I don't know what heat is right for my hair. I don't know when to stop, like going over. I don't like straightening my own hair. I haven't straightened my own hair in years, because when I did that, I saw my hair getting shorter. My hair used to be really long, but you see, like now, it's long. It's getting there, y'all. It's getting there. But yeah, I haven't been blow drying my hair or straightening. I don't like adding heat to my own hair. I want to leave that to a professional. That's not my job. That's not what I specialize in. So I'm gonna leave that to a professional. So number 9, do not wear updos while you sleep, because when your hair is gonna has so much tension on it while you sleep, you rolling around, the tension's getting even more tight. You don't want that on your hair while you sleep. You want your hair to just be free and just be, you know, just free while you sleep. You don't want your hair to be all tight and ponytails and all that. No, honey, you need to make sure your hair can breathe at night, because it's doing all this stuff during the day. Let it relax, let it settle and let it go to sleep. Number 10, always wear your bonnet or have a satin pillow, because you don't want your hair getting caught up in the fibers of the blankets or the sheets or the pillowcases. You want to wear a bonnet, honey. I don't care if you on FaceTime. I don't care if you got a boo to go see, a boo to call. You better wear your bonnet. I don't care if your boo laying next to you. You wear your bonnet, honey. I was almost done and you gonna interrupt.
I need my computer.
Wear your bonnet. Alright, here you go. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so yeah. So that's the end of my video. Excuse me. I'm in her room. I'm talking about something. Excuse me. This is the end of my video. I'm going to add pictures of my journey to the end, so you can see that this stuff really does. Like I was saying, I want to add, you know, a journey from 10th grade going to now, about my journey, and showing y'all that this stuff really does work. I'm not making it up. I mean, it works for me, and hopefully it works for you. Nico, shut up! Sorry. Hopefully it works for you, and yeah, thanks for watching, y'all.
brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance. Oh yeah, you brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance.
Me and you, that's a perfect match. No feelings on my sleeve attached. Snapchat hit you like where you at. Test me, you don't want none of that. If you a drug, I want some of that. When you leave, you come running back. Hand me a heart, I'll be the running back. And that's corny, but I'm having fun with that. Woosa, woosa, this gon' take some getting used to, you know me. I'm a DOG, but I can chill for real if you want me. I'm just trying to keep it real and we can really be low-key. I got you OMG, like hopefully, I hope you notice me. Here I go with these songs. You know who I'm talking about. Don't put on no front. DJ up, you can walk it out. Your ass just got me mesmerized. We speaking emotions, you making me want it. Butterflies is pain to my stomach with your curly hair. And I'm loving when you straighten it. All eyes on you, girl, you know I ain't faking it. I'm hoping that you feel the same. Your dude is a lame, but never mind, I'll stay in my lane.
And you brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance. Oh yeah, you brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance. Brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance. Oh yeah, you brown skin, and you always on my mind, you so astounding. I could really make you mine if you about it. And you take my breath away, I need some balance, I need some balance.